Muna godiya da kasancewa tare da mu. Ku danna subscribe tare da alamar kararrawa domin samun sabbabin shirye-shiryenmu a cikin sauki. Mun gode muku.
This sister,
yes.
compound, I just take gas. So God sent that to me. So my mom, she want to see me. So the lady, I just put the gas. The lady saw me.
The lady saw you when you were trying to leave the house.
Yes. So I'm trying to take the gas and go.
Okay. So what do you want people to do now?
I need help. I want to go.
You want to go back home? You are ready to go back home to your mother.
Yes.
You know, I spoke with your mother and she said, "Tamachireki azuchienta." She didn't even know that you are alive because you don't call her. Fatima, you don't have a phone, and you have 8 siblings at home in Maiduguri. I'm not talking so that you'll be crying. I don't cry my own past.
I need help. I want to go to her house, please.
Okay.
Mun gode da kallon wannan bidiyo namu. Kar ku manta ku yi like sannan kuma ku yi comment. Kar ku manta again ku danna subscribe. Mun gode.